Hey, what's up guys, Watch Review here, back with another video today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the alarm on the G-Shock DW6900LU. Before I show you how to do that, I just want to let you guys know that I have some other videos on this watch, and if you guys want to see that, I will put links in the description down below. Okay, now let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is bring up the alarm, and by doing that you press mode, and then press adjust, and then press the start and stop button until you reach your desired time. Then once you reach your desired time, you can press the adjust button to make it a sure thing. Also, if you guys want a monthly alarm, press the adjust button again, hit mode again, and at the top you can see it's blinking. And if you hit the start and stop button again, you can have a monthly alarm. And then there's also a daily alarm as well. Press mode once more and start and stop button again, and there you go. Also, something you guys have to do is press the start and stop button, and the indicator in the top left corner that indicates that the alarm is on. If you press the start and stop button again, you'll see a little bell in the top left corner, and that will let you know it will go off every hour on the hour. And if you press it again, you can have both of these alarms on. And if you want to turn your alarms off, just press it again and see it cleared out, and you're all set. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys have any more suggestions on any videos you guys want me to do in the future, be sure to comment in the comment section down below. This has been a watch review. Peace.